औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान और रहम करने वाला है। माय नेम इज़ द डॉक्टर महमूद अहमद। आई लिव इन द कराची सिटी पाकिस्तान। आई एम सर्विंग एज अ सीनियर फिजिशियन इन द कोरंगी नंबर 2 लास्ट 15 years. Now I am going to start tell about our madrasa Ubaidiya, which is located in the Korangi number 2 sector 33F and street number 15, and landmark is the Pyala Hotel, Karachi. I would like to give the little bit introduction about the founder of the Madrasa Ubaidiya, Korangi number 2, Karachi, Maulana Mufti and doctorate in Arabic language, as well as Maulana Jasim Shah Saab. He is also completed Alama course from the Madrasa Ubaidiya, Faisalabad. He is also completed the Mufti course from the Al-Fuqa Al-Islami Jama Farooqiya, Karachi, Pakistan. Also completed Mufti course Al-Arabiya Jama Umar Raziyallahu Anha, Karachi, and also reformation belonging to the Mashaykhul Tasawwuf and Shaykhul Hadith and Tafsir Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Javed Hussain Shah Saab, the Bani and founder and Muhtamim of the Jama Ubaidiya, Faisalabad, Pakistan, and also Hazrat Saab also serving an ex-teacher of the Hadith teaching Markaz Umarul Farooq, Mangochi, Malawi, Africa. At least 5 years he have served there. Also ex-research officer Maktabaul Bashari, Karachi, and also he is Arabic teacher Jama Umar Razi Allah Anna, Gadab Town, Karachi, Pakistan. He was the bit introduction of the founder of the Jama Ubaidiya Madrasa, which is located in the Karachi Korangi number 2 sector 33F. Primary our aim is the education, Holy Quran and Holy Quran, and it is the unbelievable step from them, and also is the extension and further development, and need the donation and put your contribution for the Jama Ubaidiya Karachi, sector 33F, Karachi. I would like to say that this our Madrasa Ubaidiya had constructed in the 8 December 1988 and 1918 and 18 with the hand of Shaykhul Hadith and Shaykhul Quran Mufti Sayyid Javed Hussain Shah Saab Damat Barakatam Aliya. He has put the step, and he has the inauguration of the Madrasa Ubaidiya of Korangi number 2, Karachi. Actually, this our madrasa is located in which area there is a really is the work is need for preaching of the Quran, and especially the those kids are wandering and they are not learning the Arabic language. So this ground reality is seen by our Maulana Mufti Jasim Saab. He have decided about the in this area should be constructed the madrasa. There is a really need for the recitation of the Holy Quran and the preaching of the Quran and Hadith. After all, our madrasa has working in the few institution. Number one is our primary goal is the establish the Al Hufaz primary school, which are is already is going on. Number two is the uh, Holy Quran recitation and preaching of the Quran in interior Karachi and external Karachi and the remote areas and rural areas of the Pakistan, where is the people are quietly away from the Islamic education. And also our madrasa is the weekly reformation of the Darse Quran and reformation of the statement conducted by the statement Bayan conducted by the Maulana Jasim Hussain Jasim Shah Sahab. And the Maktaba Quraniya. Our one Maktaba Quraniya is also running is the province Punjab Rahim Yar Khan, and other is also running in the Khanewal, where is the lot of kids under the 5 years to 5 year to and 15 years are kids are taking getting a Islamic education, Quran Kareem, and also getting education of the Islamic books, uh, as well as in Khanewal. There is also Khanewal is also located in the Punjab province. There is also at least recently 10 Hufaz people, Hafiz people are passed from our Madrasa Ubaidiya from Khanewal. We have conducted the ceremony and we have distributed the certificate of Hafiz Quran from the Khanewal at least at least 10 to 12 months back. So now I am also three Madrasa Bannat is running in our area, where is the daily the girls are taking a Quranic education and they are reciting the Quran and teaching the namaz and other which Islamic basic pillars which are necessary in education, where the teacher are providing the proper practice of the namaz, how to perform the namaz, and also kalmas, 1 to 6 kalmas, and also prayer of the janaza, how to perform the prayer of janaza, and sunnat and the ghusl, how to take ghusl. Now is the humble request to the all Muslim people around the world as well as in our Pakistan. We are facing the financial problem, and we have our madrasa have a lot of necessities which are necessary for the prosperity and for the prosperity and for the extension of the our madrasa. So now I am giving the bank account, bank name and bank account number of the our Mufti Jasimuddin Shah Sahab. So kindly note down the bank name is the Bank Dubai Islami, Bank Dubai Islami, Pakistan, and name of title is the Jasimuddin Shah Sahab, JASEEMUDDIN, Jasimuddin SHAH Shah. Again listen, the Bank Dubai Al Islami Pakistan, and title of account Jasimuddin Shah, JASEMUDDINSHAH, and write down the people whom are living the outside of the country. They can send the donation into the Mufti Saab account number. You can note down. uh, I will I will repeat the slowly. PK09TUIB 0000004729660001. I would like to again repeat this account number PK09DUIB 0000004729660001. This is the account number of the Mufti Jasimuddin Shah Saab. Hopefully you will put your contribution in the shape of money to our madrasa. It is my humble request around the world where the Muslim are living. As being a doctor, it is I am physician also. I am also attached with the Jasimuddin Saab, and lot of my doctor friend and relative and others. My vicinity where is my clinic, people are living there. They are also contributing. It is a humble appeal around to the all people, all Muslim living around the world. Hopefully you will put your contribute. Take care. Inshallah Taala we will back. We will come in front of you, inshallah, next topic. And take care. Allah Hafiz.